everyone. Good evening. I'm going to share my screen. Let me know once you to see. Screen is visible to everyone.
No.
Is it to the screen or not? Could you please let me know in the chat whether you are able?
No, we cannot see your screen. Can you hear me?
I guess his network is like.
No, sir, we cannot see your screen.
Oh, sorry, actually I got dropped off. I was not able to reach any one of you. So the is like host again.
Even your voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is not good,
Still.
sir.
Oh, 1 second.
Maybe you reboot your what is call it router.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to share my screen now. But still, hey Dwarika, could you please make me host? One second, guys. Yeah, thank you. Now, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So Shiva, you asked me to explain about last 3 topics, means descendant selector, child combinator, and next sibling. Am I right?
Yeah, I also have a doubt with the child combinator selector.
Okay, this one, this
Yes.
selector. Yeah. Oh,
I'm
what
just
is your question?
I'm confusing about the sign, like section greater than, less than.
So just this sign we are going to use, greater than sign, for the child combinator. So whenever
Let's
you are going,
suppose,
yeah,
let's
go
suppose
ahead.
the div is the parent tag here, right? So
Okay.
and under div we have p. Then the
Okay.
code would be div greater than p. Then it will
P.
directly apply to the first node of the tag, right?
Means you are saying if you have div, inside div you have paragraph, okay,
Right.
and inside that div again if you have one div, and inside again we
Mm-hmm.
have one paragraph. So in that case, it is
Mm-hmm.
just going to target the immediate child of each and every div. Okay, so this is just for the immediate child whenever you are going to target.
Okay.
Yeah, it will not go inside the like nested structure of your HTML. So it will check for the immediate one.
Or let's suppose we have one div or any other section. Under this section or div, we have multiple paragraphs or multiple headings. Like we have three paragraphs, and we need to apply different, different design for each and every graph. Paragraph. So what would do in this case? Like we need to pass the ID there, or we can just do it with the
Tell me the
with the
structure,
star.
what you are saying. Can you please tell me that? So I will just here, I will try to replicate that one. So what is your
Okay.
question?
Like just make any div or section,
Okay, fine. Here we have div.
and then under div we can have like three paragraphs,
Okay,
and we need to apply different style on each paragraph.
this is para.
One
Okay,
paragraph.
3 paragraphs. Okay,
Right.
fine. Yes.
Then we need to apply like any three colors for the text, or
For 3 paragraphs,
three different color, let's say.
that we can do. So one way is that you have to, excuse me, mention here different class name. First thing you can do. Okay. Another one here,
Mhm.
we are going to learn about the structural pseudo class today. By using that also you can target those elements like nth child, 1, 2, 3, like that.
Okay.
So that also we can do. So we are not yet done with that topic. So
Okay.
today we'll see like how we can target. Don't worry about that. So if you have any question related to the child combinator, then you can ask for now. Means child
No, it's fine.
combinator. Yeah. So child combinator means always when you are mentioning any tag. Okay. Okay. So 1 second. Hmm. So here, if you have any item, or whether it is a ID selector, class selector, whatever you have, so you can target the immediate child of that particular element. Okay. If you want to target the immediate child, then go with the child selector. And if you want to target like wherever in this parent, wherever for that particular class or ID or the type which you are looking for, if you want to target all those elements, go with the descendant selector. Okay. And next sibling or adjacent combinator will work, as I said, it will work on siblings only, not for the child. Okay. With sibling only. So if you are going to target any element, like let's say you have everywhere, like you have paragraph, excuse me, paragraph, then image, paragraph, then image, paragraph, then image. Okay. So what you can do here, simply you can write like paragraph. Immediately after that, if you have any image, whatever style you want to apply on that particular image, you can apply. So like that, you can target here the next sibling. Okay. It will work like that. So that we have seen yesterday. So still, if you have any question, you can ask anyone. No?
No.
Okay, fine. So now we are going to start with the last combinator, that is general or subsequent sibling combinator selector that we are going to see. Okay. Okay. So we'll learn about this selector. Okay, so this one is the last combinator which we are going to learn about, general or subsequent sibling combinator selector. So when to use this one, that we'll see. Okay, let's say here we have this structure. Okay, now what I'm saying, after inside section, after this paragraph, okay, inside this section, or simply you can say after paragraph, wherever you find H3, okay, or here we have this para for this paragraph element, okay, and here also we have para class, here also we have para class, but these para classes you can see we have applied on H3 element, not on paragraph element. So simply what I'm going to do is I will say here, means simply I will mention here, let's say instead of this I'm going to comment this one. We'll take another structure just to explain you about that. We have one section, okay, and inside this section we have H3 element. This is heading 3. Fine. After this we have one paragraph. This is para. Now we have one emphasize tag. This is italic, okay, and again we have here, let's say H4. This is heading 4 element, and here we have span, okay, this is a span. Fine. So we have here one structure, as you can see, H3 paragraph, em tag, then H4, then span. So now what I'm going to do is simply I will target P, okay, and we'll apply color here, red, so that you can see here we are able to target that particular paragraph. But what we can do with the help of this subsequent sibling selector or general sibling selector, let's say you have this paragraph and you are saying after this paragraph, and this is also going to work with siblings only, not for the child, okay, siblings. Sibling means the tag which are, or the element which are on the same level, okay, on that only it is going to work. I'm saying after paragraph H3 is there, target that one. So this one we have learned, and which combinator it is? Next sibling or adjacent combinator selector. Means immediately I'm saying after paragraph, if after this paragraph, if H3 is there, then target that. But do we have here H3 after paragraph? No, we do not have. Fine. Now I'm saying after paragraph, target H4. Immediately after this paragraph, if H4 is there, target that one, apply red color. So now if you will see after this paragraph, immediately after this paragraph, do we have H4? No, we have em tag, and after em we have h4. So what we can do here, simply we can write immediately after paragraph, if em tag is there, and after this em tag, if we have h4, then apply this color. So that is working fine. So here we are able to target like this, but directly we cannot target h4. Okay, with the help of this adjacent combinator. So instead of this, you can use subsequent sibling combinator, and you have to use here tilde operator. So what it is going to do, it will say after paragraph, wherever you find as a sibling, see that you have to always remember h4, wherever it is, but it should be sibling, not child, not parent. Apply this color. Now see, it is working. Okay. One more thing here that you can see, after this paragraph, we have here span tag. So instead of this, if I'll say after this paragraph, wherever you find a span, no, apply red color. It is working, no? Why it is not working for P? See, I'm not targeting P. That you need to understand here. I'm saying go and check for paragraph. So it will target that one. And after that, which element I'm going to select? I'm saying go and check for paragraph. And after that, wherever you find a span, apply that color on that span only, not on paragraph. Is that clear? Shiva?
I have a problem here.
Yeah,
This sign is not available on my keyboard. My keyboard is in German.
it is not
So what we can do?
available. So
No, this one. No,
uh, just next to one, it is not there. What
just
if you have,
just next to P, whatever you write between P and span.
yeah, I'm saying on your keyboard before, like numeric keyboard, you have no numeric key on your keyboard.
Yes.
So how actually you type exclamation mark?
A single shift and one press.
Yeah, before one, do you have any key?
But this mark is not there. It is something like dot and then inverted V.
Inverted
Like
V is shift.
like
Uh,
like we have pi sign. No? So I
I
think
got it. I got it. So that is kind of like XOR kind of thing. Operator is there. So I think it will be. You can check. No,
You can use online keyboard.
you
Yes,
can.
online Unicode or something like copy that symbol and
Yeah, then I think that will work. Okay. So here, what we can do with the help of subsequent selector, like go and check paragraph, and after paragraph. So actually, we are not targeting paragraph. We are targeting span. As we were targeting here H3, not paragraph, not div, not UL, not this paragraph again. Okay. So what here we are saying, go and target the paragraph wherever you have paragraph. And after that, if you are able to find span as a sibling, okay, apply this color. So here it is able to apply this one. So what if you have again H5, this is heading 5, and after this again you have a span. So it is going to target all those spans. But this was not the case with the next sibling selector. It was just targeting the immediately after any element which you are targeting. Okay. But here, wherever it will find span after this paragraph, it is going to apply the same property or rule set, whatever you have written here in CSS. So then you can use subsequent sibling combinator. Anyone have here question?
Yeah, I have doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we will use this general subsequent sibling combinator selector or next sibling or adjacent combinator selector, in what kind of situations we will use? I
I
thought we can
see.
use by selecting H3 and we can give like class and we can target them directly. Na? So why in what kind of situations we can use?
See, right now here the structure. Okay, that's why we are
Yeah,
able
yeah.
to do that. But in case you have a scenario, okay, that whenever you are getting a span,
Okay.
okay, whenever you are getting a span inside a card, okay, so
Hmm.
after paragraph, immediately after paragraph, then you have to use this next sibling selector. But
Okay.
what if you have to target after paragraph, as many spans are there, you have to select that.
Okay.
Then you can go with the general or subsequent sibling selector.
Okay. But if you want, we can give class name and we can target. We can give like CSS properties, na?
We can,
Like, yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yes, we
Just,
can give, but again, there will be one problem, Naresh. What
yeah.
will happen, so class we can apply either for parent or child, isn't it? Same class we can apply for
Okay.
different level. Let's say if I want to change the color of this one, okay,
Okay.
H3,
Hmm.
and color of this H5 also. So these two elements are totally different, isn't it? And here
Hmm.
I'm going to target paragraph. So for that also I'm using red color. But what I'm saying, let's say here we have text red. For this paragraph also we have text red. For H5 also we have text red. But I don't want to target H3 and H5. I want to target the paragraph element directly.
Okay.
Okay. And after that I'm checking whether a span is there or not. So
Mhm.
many cases are there. So based on that, we have to choose wisely actually that type of selector. If you
But
know
in,
how actually it works,
okay.
then you can use this one.
Okay. In some cases, if you want, we can use like what I said, right?
You can use.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm asking. I got it
Yeah,
out. That's yeah.
yeah. You can
You can
use.
cut.
So any other
Okay.
question, anyone? Simply you need to understand here, descendant and child combinator will work for children only. So child combinator will work for the immediate child, that you need to understand. And descendant combinator will work for any child, okay, which is available on n level of depth or n nested level. Last two things are for siblings, the elements which are on the same level. Okay, so next sibling means immediately after any particular element which you are going to target, and general sibling means wherever it will find at the same level, and it is going to target after, not before element. That you cannot do. Two things you cannot do in CSS. You cannot directly target the parent one from child. You cannot target parent. Okay. Second thing, if you want to target this H4, okay, directly this heading 4 before this span, if you're saying, hey, check whether before span, I'm saying before span, if heading 4 is there, that you cannot do. Okay. Two things are not possible here.
Okay. If there is any span after paragraph, if there is repeated two times,
Hmm.
so then how we can do that?
Repeated two times means?
Like there is one paragraph span, and again, if there is again one paragraph and span.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to target just first one
Yeah.
or the
So
last one?
yeah, if you give like paragraph like span this way, what you are showing here, if
Hmm.
you give, so which one will be target? I
Both,
mean,
both.
yeah. Okay. If you want to specific one.
Then we have that structural pseudo class selector that we are going to see now in today's session only. We'll try to complete that. Okay. For that, here we have a structural pseudo class. Using that, you can target the specific one. When you are not using class, If you have two different classes for those two paragraphs, then easily you can target. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here means all these four combinators, what actually doing here, that is clear, no? Everyone.
Yes.
If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay. Then only I'm going to start with a new topic. If you have question,
So
first
what can
ask
I
them. Yeah.
what
Yeah,
can I
Nikhil.
use for this sign?
So I'm not sure about that. Like if it is not
Okay.
available in your keyboard itself, check that one means
What do you call
can
it?
do if you want to
I
type that
can you
tilde
please log
operator.
that? Sorry, which operator?
This one.
Tilde operator. Okay, let me check.
Tilde sign, sir.
Okay.
Mhm.
So we are good till here. No questions.
I have one more question. My CS is not working. I tried 2 times, but it doesn't work.
What is not working?
The CSS.
CSS file is not working.
Yes.
Uh,
The changes is not showing.
again, there will be some problem again. I think
So I just using the paragraph tag
1
T
second.
and then curly bracket and then text align and other
Please do
properties.
share your screen. No, please do share your screen.
Can you see?
I can. Yes.
So this is the only code and
Uh,
this is HTML file. I have put it here.
so what is your CSS file name?
Gensub.css. This one.
Okay. Click on that. Save it.
Yeah. Save it.
Now show me that page.
Can you see?
Right click or control U. Press control U.
Control inspect.
View source page, not inspect.
View source page. Okay.
Press Control Shift I. No, once again. Yeah.
View source page.
Control U. That's why. Yeah. So here you have that file. No, click on
Yeah.
that file. See, path is not correct.
Okay. Let's see what files. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me stop my sharing.
I do have a concern here. If the people wants to do an parallel practice, I don't think it is not good. Every time they are doing the parallel practice and asking the question, it's wasting of time session, I believe that. See, please keep in mind other target, other audience as well. This is not an one-to-one session, right? I already told in earlier also, I'm repeating that. There are more than 30 people are there, only 2 people are using the session time. Wasting, I believe that. I don't know, I'm sorry for that, but people are doing like that.
So you mean to say like asking your dot is wasting of time, right?
No, you have a one-to-one session, you can share your state, ask. This is not one-to-one, okay?
If
End of
someone,
the session
okay, let's
or-
suppose if I stop just asking some and then someone
No,
asks.
I have seen it many times. I'm sorry for that. Okay.
Guys, please, don't
I do have
any
many
discussion
courses
on
in
this one.
attended classes. Nobody doing like that. Okay. I'm sorry for this. This is not in one-to-one, right?
Got it. I means he is facing problem. That's why he is asking. I got your
This
concern.
is
But
this is
yes,
not in one time, right? This is a many time. I do have in other sessions, and every time there's completely stopping of the sharing the session. Just giving end of the session. They can share or whatever they have time. They can do that, right? I'm going to complete the same to the Naresh IT.
Okay. Let's suppose I stop this, right? And what?
Hello. Yeah,
what else
one
then if
thing.
I
Hello.
doubt again?
Just a second. Hello, Jenia. So what is your problem? I'm just asking the questions, whatever doubts I'm getting.
Ask the question here. You are every time sharing the middle of the session. What is that?
What after that, after he explained
See,
everything,
I told him
if he
many
asking, I'm
times,
asking doubt.
you have a
This,
right to
this
ask
is
your
not the right way
question.
what you're talking here. Okay,
See, I
this
know,
is not the right way.
I know,
Guys,
yeah.
please,
Okay,
please,
control
don't
yourself
be
first.
questioning
Okay,
over
If you
here,
are
no?
in pressure,
I'm
keep
not
and
sharing my
understand.
screen. Okay,
I'm
I'm
not
not
asking
asking
the
any other
sharing the
doubts.
session. You are
I'm
doing
just
the
asking
practice
whatever
parallel. What
doubts
is
I'm
that?
getting. Okay.
What is that? You are doing the parallel practice. Is it good
If you
time?
want like that,
Good
you
practice.
have to take the one-to-one session. Okay.
See,
Hello, hello,
Guys,
editor.
there are 30
please,
guys are there. You people are wasting the time. Nobody asking like that, right?
You
guys,
are
please.
wasting the time now. Now you are
I'm not
wasting the time.
wasting.
You know,
You guys are wasting the time.
you are wasting the time. Okay. No
I
one is
never waste
wasting
the
the
session
time.
time. Okay,
We are money and we are asking the doubts. Okay.
that
If
is not
you
doubt.
want,
Okay.
you can go for
See,
the one-to-one session. Okay.
guys, I'm not asking the one-to-one. I don't want to
No,
waste
no,
the session
no.
time. You people are wasting the session time, right?
This kind of fellows will go to the one-to-one session. Okay.
You guys
If you want,
should
you
go
can
that.
go to the
Okay,
one-to-one
Guys,
I'm
session.
not
please,
like
please,
that. I do
please.
have an okay.
I'm requesting you,
You
please,
should
let me
stop
continue.
sharing of this. Ask the
Okay.
question. I'm
Yeah,
okay.
If we have a doubts, everyone clear
Daniel,
their doubts, right?
See,
Just
there
Naresh,
are
one
ask
30
any
second.
people
doubt.
are there. Nobody asking this, doing the session sharing. You are doing the parallel practice. Is it right? Doing the
No,
parallel
no, no.
practice?
I'm requesting you, guys, let me continue this session. And from now onwards, we'll take the questions at the end of this session. Okay?
No, no, no. Mr. Danish, if we have any doubt after you completion of the particular thing, if we ask, then only we can get an idea. After you completion of all the session, we will forget, na?
Yeah, that's why means every
See,
time means after
keep in
explaining.
note and ask the question. Nobody stop you,
No,
okay?
no, no. We can ask, but
That is not right way. If you
if
are in
Neeraj
offline class,
is
that's okay. I
sharing
can
his
accept.
screen always, that
See,
is main. But
for me,
Okay,
time is
just
important.
cut this.
Everybody is important. If you're not and time is
Cut
no,
important,
no,
this
no.
shit.
you're wasting
Now,
You
the
are
time.
now
not a
I'm not
perfect
going to
person.
ask
If you want,
anyone.
Guys,
Just
you
cut
can
this
go
shit.
for the another
You are
class.
wasting. Now you are wasting time for everyone.
see,
This
let
fellow
me.
is wasting time for everyone. I don't know from where he came to this session.
You are wasting the time. I'm not. I never waste
Guys,
even 2 minutes of the
I'm
You come to the
session.
requesting
Naresh
you,
ID
people.
session,
Okay.
Amirpet. I will show you
Oh, I know
what I am
your
wasting.
guys. 10 years back, I did these kind of things. Okay. I know about these all the things.
No, no, no. You are
First,
not
keep
fit
it.
for this session here.
Time is very important for me, and you are.
No, no,
If you
no.
want to waste
I thought
your choice, that is.
already you have wasted
Guys,
Keep
many
guys,
time.
in
Now
guys.
you
mind your
realize it.
words first, and then talk about that. Okay.
So you have wasted your time.
Ganesh
That's why
sir,
you are
please control them. Stop,
realized
please
here.
stop.
Guys,
Hurry
could you
up.
please put your mic on
No,
mute?
Danish, you
Let
can
me
tell
let.
him, na. So if
Yeah,
we
that's why
are
I'm saying to
doing any mistake,
everyone.
you
Like,
can tell us, na.
yes, I can understand. See, now the sharing a screen is not good. I can understand, but see why he's sharing. I do understand he's facing issue, and means there is no instructor after that or any lab for this one who can help him out. That's why he's asking the question, and I'm only asking, like, if you have any question, ask
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah.
If I will clarify each and everything, then only like you will understand.
Yes,
Sometimes
yes.
some people will understand, some people will not understand,
Yeah,
isn't it? So that's why from my end, at least I'm trying to explain each and everything in detail.
yeah.
And if everyone will understand, that is best for them also and for me also, isn't it?
Yes,
If I'm
yes.
explaining each and every topic and you are not getting anything, so that is actually that is waste of time,
Yeah, yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, Mr. Danish,
So
give
for
me
everyone,
yeah, give me 1 second. Even he actually involved me into that thing. So I'm just asking whatever you explained, and whenever you are telling that if anybody have questions, please ask me. Then only I'm asking you.
yes,
I'm just
right.
asking my doubts only. If I ask this
Guys,
doubt
guys,
after
please,
completion of
please understand my concern.
no, no,
Then
no,
we
I'm
can
not
talk.
talking about you.
My
Do don't
concern
come,
is
don't
stop
involve into this.
sharing
Okay?
the screen.
Guys,
Okay. You can
okay,
ask the
fine.
question, anything. No, nobody objection that.
No, no,
Okay.
no.
If
Okay,
you want
okay,
talk,
I
I
fine.
thought
can
you
talk.
Janya,
aged person. That's
Janya,
why
Naresh,
you don't
and
have
Neeraj,
patience.
please
Please,
see
you
from
are
now
doing the
onwards.
parallel practice. What is that? First
I'm not
listen,
asking
understand, and
anything.
do
That
later,
to
right?
other person
You
is
have a
talking.
session, everything. You are while running the session, you are doing the practice, and this is not working. That is not a good practice, right?
You should understand. Then
If you
do
have a
the
sense, you don't do
You are
like
not
this.
here
If
to
you have a
tell me what should
sense,
I do or should I not.
see. Question, asking the question is nobody stopping you. Okay, I
Guys,
never stop
we
that.
can see.
You are
Can we
practicing
continue
that and asking now while running the session. That is my concern. Okay, I am not
after this
complaining.
session?
okay,
Jania, Naresh, please.
I
I'm
agree the way what
requesting
Neeraj
you.
is
He,
doing.
Can we
see,
discuss this thing?
everybody is asking to you like a practice, sir, this is not working my system. How the system will move that? Think that that way. Okay, don't think your own way.
No one think about
There are
your
more
words.
than 30 guys are there. Everybody doing like your practice and while running the session. Sir, my tag is not working. My browser is not working. What will
That we
be the
can
session
consider,
time?
Mr. Janaya. That we can
That
consider.
is only now I am talking about.
But
I'm
you
nothing. I'm
involved
not.
me, Naresh. You involved Naresh. Naresh, what Naresh did show?
I will never mention the name. I said that same. If you want,
No,
I can complain to the Naresh IT. I'm not mentioning your name. I'm sorry about that. Okay. I did not mention your
Okay,
name. I don't know your name
Guys,
also.
now
could you please
at
allow
this
me
stage,
to continue
we
the
start.
session? Could you please allow me to continue the session? We can discuss this one later. Okay. Thank you.
after level.
So
Yeah,
now the
please
next
continue.
topic here we have, that is attribute selector. Okay. So any one of you have used about this one or know about this one, attribute selector? At least you know attribute, no? If I'm asking, then you can answer. This is not about like sharing a screen. If I'm asking, you can answer. So if the
You have to
session will
take
be
the
not
permission from that
interactive,
guy.
no. See.
If you are in IT, nobody when can accept you kind of no behavior. Right? I know. I'm in IT.
Yeah, I'm also.
So then we will not do like this.
Could you please
Okay.
silence?
Yeah. So any idea about attribute selector, guys? I'm asking about this one. No. Okay, fine. See, here I'm going to take paragraphs. Five paragraphs here we have. Okay. And for first para, I'm going to apply here the title. Okay. Again, here also I'm going to apply title attribute. After this, I'm going to take anchor element. Okay. Fine. Because these are the inline elements, that's why I'm going to put here break. Okay. So here we have 5 links. Okay. And 5 paragraphs. We do have here title attribute, and which attribute here we have href. Okay. Let's say here I'm going to write, let's say file1.pdf. Okay. And here file 2.doc. Fine. This is first para. And here I'm going to take this one as this is second para. Fine. Okay, fine. So now here for first two paragraphs, we do have title attribute. Okay. And for first two anchor element, we do have href attribute. Okay. And now here also I'm going to apply link 3. So this one is link 1, this one is link 2, this one is link 3, this one is 4, and this one is 5. Here we have link 3. Okay. Fine. And here I'm going to add hash. In this one, I'm going to add lang attribute. Let's say language is EN, English. Language, English, Great Britain. And for this paragraph, I'm going to add language, EN -US. Okay. So these attributes we have already seen in HTML session, like what is title attribute, what is href attribute, and what is lang attribute. Okay. So simply I have added some value. So based on its attribute value and attribute, now we are going to target the element. We are not using any class, okay, that you can see. So if you have to declare a class, okay, what you have to do? Simply you have to write the class name, and the prefix will be what for class? For dot. For dot. For ID?
Hash.
Hash or pound sign. Fine. For type selector, to target any element,
Star. Sorry.
that is for the
Universal.
tag name. For universal, we have to use what? Star.
Star.
So likewise, if you want to
Just
select
element.
any attribute, no? So you have to write attribute name, okay? Attribute name, declaration block, but that attribute will
Name.
be enclosed between this square bracket. Is that clear?
Okay.
Here, you have to write the attribute name in between a square bracket. So this is the structure that you have to follow for this one, for attribute selector. Now, if you have to target any attribute and have to apply, let's say, color red. Okay, so here you have to write the attribute selector. So you have to write here, first of all, a square bracket in between. I'm saying target attribute title. So target all those elements, okay, which is containing which attribute? Title attribute. So now I'm going to save this one. Let's see what will happen. So for first para, for second para, and for third link, we do have what? Title attribute. So that's why we are able to target that particular element. Okay. Same thing we can do here. Target only those elements which has lang attribute. and color I'm going to put here as green. It is working, no?
Yes.
Now, instead of these two, what we can do? Now, I'm saying target only those elements which contains this attribute. Okay. So only link element will be in red color. So as you can see here, we are able to target any element by using its attribute. Fine. So this is the simple thing that we can use. Fine. It's okay. Now, after this one, I'm going to target the attribute. Okay. Means any element with the attribute value, exact value. So now I'm going to write here, target only those element which is having this attribute href and that is empty, and apply red color. So this one, third one and fifth one, if you will check here, we do not have anything inside href, and we do not have here also for the fifth element. And now we are able to target that, no? So by value also we can target. Just you have to write equal to then value. Next, now I'm going to target that element which has here that you can see href attribute and value is hash. So I can put here hash. So I'm able to select only this element, isn't it? So now you know how to target any element with either just attribute or with the attribute value also. Okay. Now, after this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to target one href attribute. Okay. Here, href attribute value, you can see here we do not have any value for this one and for this one. So I'm going to target that we have seen just now, this one. But what I'm saying, target that particular element which has href attribute as empty, as well as if it has lang attribute, only last one that you can see. Okay, so this one is also empty, but we do not have any lang attribute here. Okay, so you can group also, and to group this one you do not have to use any space in between, because if you will use a space, what is the meaning of space? Descendant selector. Okay, so don't use space between these two attribute selectors. Now let's say here also, if I'm going to use lang attribute, okay, en, so this one is also in red color, isn't it? But again, now I'm going to change here the condition that select only that element which has href as empty and lang is there, and lang and after that we do have title attribute also. Select that element only. So see, we are able to select just third one. Okay, so here we have now, where is that title? Here we have title, no? So in this one also I'm going to use now title link 5. Last one also we are able to select. Fine. So here we have en. I'm going to make this one as US. Now I'm going to target that element. Just I'm showing you the variations, like how you can write the attributes. Target that element only which has href value as empty. Lang attribute is also there, but value is en. See, and title attribute is also there. So I'm able to select the third one. So like that, you can make any combinations. Now you know how to target multiple attribute also of a single element with value also you can check, or with like just attribute without value also you can target. Till here, do you have any question? Anyone?
If I ask, someone will annoying.
Sorry?
If I ask, someone will be annoying.
No. I'm asking you, like if you have doubt, you can ask. I'm not asking you to share your screen.
No, I'm not sharing my screen, but
Yeah,
still,
that's
I
no, you
tried
can ask.
at my end, but something is wrong. It's not working.
What is happening?
Maybe I'm not using correct syntax, but syntax is good. I already checked. So I will share them my screenshot with you on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So you can note down if you have any question. Later also you can post in the group. Okay. I can answer you there as well at any time if you're posting. Okay. Anyone else? Till here, attribute selector is clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now we know how to target any element with its attribute and with attribute value also, and how to group like multiple attribute, how to target multiple attribute. So we have seen these things. Fine. Now, tell me, if I'm saying simply like this one, select an element which has this attribute, title attribute, and apply red color. What will be the output? You can see here. 1 second. See here, side by side now you can see.
First
Again, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to target an element with this attribute. Which attribute it is? Title. Now see here.
Sir, first two para in red color.
First two para. And after that?
Link H5, sir.
Link?
H3 and H5, sir.
Where is H3? Link 3 and link 5 we have.
Link 3 and link 5. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, link
Link
3
3
and
and
link 5. Any
5.
other? No.
No.
So wherever we have title attribute, we are able to target that. But now I'm going to target a specific element. I'm saying select paragraph which has title. Now it is not going to select which element? Link or
Link.
anchor element, isn't it? So that you can see. Now we are able to target just
Only paras.
paragraph. So here you do not have to keep any space between this attribute and paragraph. Otherwise it will say, okay, inside para, if there is any element which is having the title attribute, select and apply this color, isn't it? So you do not have to give a space between the what? That attribute and the selector, type selector name. Okay. So here, what is the meaning of P and then title attribute? I'm going to target the P element which has title attribute. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Now, I'll comment this one. Excuse me. Target P tag only, okay, which has title attribute. Now, I want to target that particular paragraph with its title value. Okay. So I'm able to select just first one because this is the exact value we are using for that particular element title attribute, isn't it? So we can target like this. Fine. Till here, everything is clear. Everyone?
In this way also we can add the CSS, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Fine. So these are the like basic attribute selectors which I have shown you here. Okay. Like how you can target, how you can group. Okay. How you can go with the like if you are targeting title attribute, but you wanted to select just for the P or just for the H3 tag, just for the span only. So you can do that. Okay. Now in attribute selector, we do have pattern matching also. Okay. We have pattern matching. So first one I'm going to show you here. Okay. First one. I'm going to select element which has lang attribute. Will apply color red. Okay. So for these first 5 paragraphs and last 3 link elements, we have lang attribute that you can see here. Here we have lang. One second. Here we have lang attribute. For this one, we have lang, but how it is getting applied? Let me check. One second. One second, guys. Okay. Let me check. We have title attribute. Oh, sorry. Here we are not specific with this, no, because the document itself, if you will see here, for the first one, where is that? 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think because of this one, I'm not targeting directly with the element, no, so that's why it is coming. If I'm going to target like this, lang is equal to en. Okay. So here we are able to target like this one. So just we are targeting now anchor tag, which has this value, exact value, en. Let's say if I'm going to target here with this attribute just. So we are able to target these 3. Okay, fine. Fine. Here we have en. Here also we have en. Here also we have en. So for second anchor element, also I'm going to target this one, and language I'm going to use Spanish. Okay. So what it is going to do here, simply, if I will write ES, I'm able to select just second element. If I will target en, I'll be able to select just third element. But here we have a special pattern matching syntax that we can use. We can use here pipe symbol, this one, see, pipe. Just shift and then backward slash you have to press here. You will get this pipe symbol. So lang is equal to this. So what it is doing actually, I'm going to write here, the first one. It is going to it will search for that exact word or the given word followed by dash. Okay, whenever you're using this one, no, it will check the exact value. If lang is equal to en, it will target that also. Or if you have something, anything, if you are using here right now, I'm using en for lang attribute, but you can use any attribute here and you can give here the word followed by, if dash is there, no, it will target that element. So I'm going to show you that also. Let's say here we have title. Okay, this is okay, and here we have this is will target any element with the title attribute which is starting with what, this is the exact word, this color red. So see here, that you can see. For second one also we do have this, but you can see here we have other words also after this. This is second para. This is not the exact this. Okay. So here we have this followed by dash, you can see. Okay. So if we will remove this complete thing from here, and here we have just exact this or this followed by dash. So it is going to select both paragraph. So when we are going to use this one, you got it, no? So whenever you have either starting with any attribute value is starting with whatever word you have given, exact that word or followed by dash, then you can use this pipe equal to operator. Is that clear, everyone? Or do you have any question? No?
No.
Okay, fine. Next one. How to get pipe operator? Navina, shift key you have to press and just above your enter key you have forward backward slash symbol that you can press. Press shift and hold that and then press that forward slash. You will get that operator. My voice is breaking or is good?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Your
yes,
voice.
yours
That's
voice.
breaking, sir.
Still?
No.
Sometimes it's getting like.
Yeah, I think
Breaking.
because of some network issue, maybe. Yeah, so what I'm saying, just press shift and above your enter key, right hand side, if you'll see the backward slash sign is there. Okay, so press that key, you will get that pipe sign. Okay, fine. So now the next pattern matching is, okay. Again, Neeraj, you will face here problem because again, we are going to use that tilde operator. Okay. So when you are going to search, okay, let's say I'm writing here title, color red, fine. So we are able to select first para, second para, then third link and fifth link, fine. Is para, this is second para. So if you will see here in first para, here we have title attribute, and second one also, here we have title attribute. So here we have multiple words in title. This is first para. So in this one also we have para, here also we have para. Is there, no? So now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, is, here also we have is. So now if I will search for title attribute is equal to, if I'm going to check here this, which element it will target? Tell me, anyone.
Which is having title is this keyword.
Do we have here?
Both para 1, para 2.
No,
This is para 1, this is para 2. Both.
no, it will not, because here
Wherever
we are
title
looking
is
for
there.
search with the exact this word. Do we have just this here? Here we have this is first para. So it is not going to target that element. See, we are searching for the exact word, no?
Okay, got
That
it.
we have seen here, no? On top, like how to target with the exact value. Where is that? Let's say here, lang en, like that. Title, this is first para. That we have seen, isn't it? So it is not going to target any of them, like any element, because we do not have exact this word for title. We do have other words also. So again, you can use here tilde operator. So what it is going to do, it will search that exact word. Okay, whatever word you will give now, if it is available anywhere in that title attribute as a word, exact word I'm saying. Here we have this, no? And here also we have this. So it will target that. In case, if you are looking for just is there in first para title attribute? It is there, no?
Yeah.
And in second also it is there. So exact word I'm searching is. So wherever it is as a value, whatever attribute you are using. In our case, we have here title attribute. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to search this particular word, exact word, wherever it is. Okay, that doesn't matter. Here we were just checking like starting with and followed by dash or exact that word. Okay, but here we have like we are looking for again word, but here we do not have that condition that it should start with this particular word. Wherever it is, search for that. So we are able to select that. Now, if I'm going to search for first, so in first paragraph, we have no first,
Yes.
but in second, it is not there. So see, it is selecting just the first para. So here you can search for the exact word wherever it is. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
If my is like
this dash is, then that is will not search.
No, because that is not the exact word. Even if you are going to search for fi, okay, so this is not the complete word. Okay, here if you will see, just we are taking first two letters of the first. Okay, so it is not exact word, so in this case it is not going to search. So you have to write here, let's say if you have this is, as you said, like this. Okay, so you have to write in that way only. If you will write is, it is not going to select because we do not have a space between those two words. Okay, so here you have to write like this hyphen s, then only it is going to select. Okay, or simply you can write like this here, this second one will be selected instead of this tilde operator. You can go with the pipe, because here we have this followed by dash, so it will select. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So exact word I'm saying here, you have to search. Okay, so it will search for the exact word. Wherever it is. Okay, that doesn't matter.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
It's going to consider only the dash, or we can have any other like symbol also, like the characters. We can
For
put it.
first one, for pipe,
Yeah.
no, just dash.
Not the pi, even the dash one, like, yeah, like exact word or the given followed by that dash. So only we have to consider the dash.
Here for this one, you are asking,
No,
or
no,
this
no.
one?
Before that one, sir.
So
Five.
yeah, so exact word here, what I'm saying, if you have the exact word, which is a starting with, that also condition you have to understand. If it is a starting with, okay,
Okay.
that particular letter and followed by dash, then also it will match. Or if you have the exact word, okay,
Okay.
then also it will match. Here I forgot to mention that we'll search for the exact word, the given word followed by dash. Starting with, okay, now here we have second one that you can see tilde operator, and what it is doing, it will look for the exact word wherever it is, that doesn't matter. Clear? Third pattern matching here we have that we are going to see after this one, that is, let's say, I'm going to search for href attribute. Okay, now we have href, no, here we have href for link elements, so I'm going to target that color red. We are able to target all these 5 elements, fine. But what I'm going to do here is, okay, here we have, fine, here we have file.pdf, no, and file one, we can do it here, no, file one.pdf, file two.doc, fine. Now what I'm going to do is, if I'll search for this one, file one dot pdf, which file I will be able to select now, which element, first one, no, see, if we will write here simply file 2.doc, I'm able to select the second one. because we are looking for the exact value of that particular attribute. But what I'm trying to search here now, as like if we have a starting word, okay, a starting word I'm saying, if we have a starting word as file, not file 1 or file 2, whatever it is, but if it is a starting with file, target that element. So for that, here we have shift 6. If you will press, you will get this symbol, caret symbol. Okay, so it is going to target these two elements because it will check for what it is going to do. It is going to check if any given word is there, and that is starting with that given character or word. So here I'm not saying like exact word file. Even if I'll give here letter F, if any href attribute is starting with, I'm saying a starting with letter F, it is going to target. See, no change. If I will write hi, so in that case, it is not going to work because after F we have I. Value is not starting with I, value is starting with F. So either you can go with a single character, or you can write 2, 3 characters, as many you want to match. So simply I'm writing here FILE file. Okay, we'll save this one. So I'm able to target this one. FI, then also it is working. So you can go with a single character or the complete word also you can mention over there. But it is checking for the just a starting. Okay, a starting later, or you can say word, okay, of any attribute value. It will check that. So here what we can write for this one, it will check like
So it will check even the case
starts.
sensitive.
That we will see. Don't worry about that. Right now we are not yeah,
In
for
this
case sensitive
reference.
you said, no? No. We will learn that as well. Don't worry about that. I will show you that also. So for now, I'm not explaining about the case sensitivity. Just focus on this one. I will tell you how it will work actually. Okay. So I'm explaining right now about this, just how actually it will work. So start with given char or word. Okay. It will check that either character, single character, or if you are giving complete word, that will work. So this one is also clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, another one here I'm going to target is like, this is a start with, okay? Now I'm going to explain you about end with. Okay, so again, we'll target the href, color red. So I'm able to target all these 5. But here, I'm just trying to check like if any link is having href attribute and that is ending with dot doc, I want to target that one. So right now I'm not able to select. So for that one, here we have one special, again, case that you can use dollar equal to. So it will check like end with. So see the second link, if you will see here, is ending with dot doc. If you will go with the dot pdf, it will select which file, which element, sorry,
Link one.
first one. See here. Okay. So here also, as you have seen, here we have start with given char or word. So just opposite of this one. Ends with, okay. If I'm simply giving instead of this dot pdf, if I'll give dot, sorry, simply f. So it is going to select first one because here you can see the last character is F. Okay. So you can check this one with like for any attribute value, whether it is ending with this character, whatever character you want to give, character or a particular word. Is that clear, everyone, till here? If you have any question, you can ask me. No?
No.
Okay, fine. The last one, last in pattern matching, we have in attribute selector. Again, I'm going to select href attribute and looking for a character I. In href, wherever it is, I don't care. If it is there, select that element. So this is nothing but for the pattern matching which we are going to see now. That is for like select this particular character or word if it is there inside that particular attribute, wherever it is, whether it is a part of a word, okay, or whether it is a complete word or a single character, that doesn't matter. So for that one, here you can use star. So file, if you will see file. So here we have I, and here also we have I. So anywhere, if you are not sure, like if it is there in between, that character is there, then it is going to target that element. So then you can use this pattern matching. Select the given char or word wherever it is, okay, in the attribute. Fine. So right now I'm looking for I can search for like is also. So is there? No. So instead of this, I can go with the title attribute now. See here. Okay. If I will search for I, just I, title. So third link and fifth link. If you will see third one, here we have I, fifth link. Here we have I for first paragraph. Here we have I, here also we have I, here also we have I, here also we have I. So that's why it is selecting that. So till here, everyone, attribute selector and pattern matching is clear, or you have any question? Any question? No? Okay, fine. Now, who asked me about the case sensitivity of the attribute and its value? When I was explaining about this one, someone asked.
Me, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now we are going to see about the case sensitivity of the attribute value as well as attribute. Okay, fine. Attribute value case sensitivity. Okay, so we will see here. I'm going to comment all these things for now. Okay. This is para. Okay. Going to take 6 paragraphs. We'll add here Let's say title, para. Okay. Again, title, para. Title, para. Okay. Title, title. Okay. Fine. So we have written here, you can see same title, same para, but in different cases. Okay. Now we are going to see whether attributes are case sensitive or not, or value are case sensitive or not. That we will see. So simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the title attribute. Okay. Title, color, red. So you can see here we have title in different cases, no? Isn't it? So what do you think? If I will save this one, what will happen? Any idea? Anyone? If it will work for all the paragraphs, it means title is not case sensitive, isn't it? If it will not work, it means title means attribute is
Case sensitive.
case sensitive. So attribute is actually not case sensitive. If you will save, it will work for all these paragraph. Clear? Fine.
Sir, for me, only the first para is coming.
Why? What you have written, title is equal to something.
No, just the title and color red.
Then please do check a spelling or something. There might be a typo. Or so if I'm writing here title is equal to let's say para, color red, green, blue. Okay. Crimson, chocolate. The last one here we have lime green. So now I'm going to save here. So see, now I'm able to target all these paragraphs. Okay, fine. So when we are writing like this, title para, we are able to apply which color? Red color for the first one only. It means the attribute value is case sensitive, but attribute is not case sensitive. Whether it is a class or any attribute you are using, that is not case sensitive, but its value is case sensitive. What if you want to avoid the case? Okay, if you are going to write the exact word, let's say here you have title, okay, is equal to para, and you are not sure about the case of this title attribute and you want to avoid that. So simply after this value, put one space and then type there I. Means if you will type here this flag I, it is going to make whatever value is there as a case insensitive. Color red. So now it is working, no? So this flag you can use if you want to make the attribute value as case insensitive. What if you will use here in caps? It will work. Okay. So the best thing is always use in a small case only, because this attribute and every selector we are writing in a small case. So that's why we supposed to write this one also, this flag also in a small case only. So now do you have any other question related to this attribute selector? Anyone? No question? Nothing? Okay, fine. Fine. So we are done with the attribute selector now. So next start, not today, we are done for day. Next I will start structural pseudo class selector. Okay, that we will see. Means before the structural we are going to learn about, in pseudo selectors we will learn about location pseudo class selector, user action pseudo class selector. So many things are there right now. Then structural pseudo class selector, then we have input pseudo class selector. Okay, then we have pseudo element selector, generated contents, specificity. Okay, so all these things are under selectors only. So many things we have to learn. So now if you have question, you can ask me. Yamuli Krishna. Okay, fine. Yeah, Molly Krishna, you can unmute your mic and you can ask if you have any question. Ganesh. So WhatsApp group link is already there in Google Classroom. From there you can join. Okay.
Sir, what about notes?
Which note?
The HTML only we got half notes, no? So by
Yeah,
this
so
weekend we
this
will get.
week again, I'm going to
Okay.
prepare notes, because in weekends only I work on that.
Okay.
Okay. So I will again try to post on Sunday evening the next part of HTML. And as I said, for CSS, I'm not going to give you any notes. I will give you my YouTube videos. Sorry, Udemy videos. Okay. Free coupon I will give you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
So even
yes,
if you will watch my recorded videos, everything will be clear. I think so.
yeah,
Do you
yes,
share
sir.
any soft copy materials?
For CSS, no. In the beginning only I said, I will give you the Udemy videos free coupon, so you can just enroll that course. Okay.
Okay,
For
okay.
HTML, I'm going to give you that. And for JavaScript, as I said, I will give you the always means related reference link, whatever topic I'm going to explain you, that will be kind of notes only. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Jania.
I do have one question regarding the selectors. See,
Hmm.
my scenario is I do have a selection.
Hmm.
Under that, no, there are options is there. I would like to target in specific, or the option like fifth one. So I want to target the fifth one, then 10th one, and 15th like that.
Yeah,
That
that's what I
case.
was saying. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like
Mhm,
I was supposed to complete that one today, but
mhm.
we'll try to cover in next session. We have one topic called the structural pseudo class. In that we will learn that one.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, Muli
Pattern
Krishna.
matching, pattern matching is working on inner test.
Sorry.
Pattern
Come
matching
again.
is working on inner test.
Pattern
Pattern
matching
matching.
is working for what inner?
Inner test. Inner test.
Inner test.
After the
What
paragraph,
exactly is?
I have one paragraph.
Okay.
Matter in the paragraph.
Hmm.
So I will target the some words in paragraph.
No. That content you cannot take. Here, this is about selector. So selector means by using attribute only you can select. No, we have just learned about the attribute selectors. So by
Okay,
using attribute value only we can search, isn't it? If you have
okay,
any inner content in between that and you want to select that element, that we can do, but by using JavaScript, not from CSS. Okay.
yeah, okay,
Yeah. So we were actually learning about the attribute selector. So in attribute selector, we were targeting the just attribute value. Okay. So that pattern
okay.
match will work for
But
the
my main
attribute
doubt is
value only. Sorry.
I have some text in paragraph.
Mm-hmm.
There is some words like dangerous or any success, that type of words. Anytime that words is appearing in some danger is red color or success in green color, that I like. I want to show that type in dynamically.
So dynamically, if you want to show based on the condition, no.
Yeah.
So in JavaScript only you will use that.
Okay. Okay.
So instead of targeting the direct content, you can add some like classes over there just to identify that particular element, or if you want to add or remove some class from there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Dhanashri, your question is, can you please share your class selector.html? I'm taking a screenshots where I get wrong for attribute. So you want me to share my screen now?
Yes. Just for
Okay.
a 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
The HTML one. And the other one too, sir.
In CSS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm done.
Okay. Anyone else has any question?
So we are meeting Monday morning, right? Monday, huh?
Sorry, Tin. What you are saying?
So our next session will be on Monday, right?
Oh yeah, on Monday, same time. Okay, if you not have any question, then we can drop off for the day. And happy weekend, everyone. We'll again connect on Monday. Thank you. Good night.